Good morning, everybody. This is Travis from the Steel Magnolia, playing with a new gadget that I got for washing under the car, and it's called a Ryobi Water Broom. Let me let you take a look at it. Very simple device, nothing technical. Cheapest place I found to get this is through Home Depot, ordering it, having it delivered to the store. You can see the nozzles are pointed upward, so if I'm holding the spray arm at like you would normally hold it, very good for washing under the cars. You can also pull this pin right here and change the angle, and then it becomes like a water broom if you're wanting to actually sweep off the concrete area after you've washed. Let me let you take a look at it. Nice big wheels, it rolls easy. Give you an idea of what it looks like. Okay, so for cleaning under the car, very nice. I also found that I was able to use it to clean under the Fender Wells pretty easy as well. As far as the sweeping portion, this is what that looks like. So basically it's just spraying it across the ground. You're wanting to sweep your mud out of the way. Now it does not clean like if you're trying to clean the concrete, but very good for moving the stuff. It's called a Ryobi Water Broom. Best price I found was at Home Depot. Order it. Go by and pick it up after it comes in. Thanks. Hope you get some use out of this.